Hello everyone, welcome to Gurudev Academy, Dharwad. In the today's session, let's discuss about JEE Mains 2025, Jan 24th, first session mathematics paper. Okay, I hope you have watched our last videos on the 22nd and 23rd mathematics paper also. Let's continue with the 24th Jan. The first question given was, if A is the 3 cross 3 matrix such that determinant of A is equals to, see, observe what he has given is determinant of A is equal to, determinant of A is equals to, determinant of A is equals to 2. Then what is determinant of adjoint of adjoint of adjoint of adjoint? Total how many adjoint? 4 adjoint, isn't it? So determinant of uh, determinant of adjoint 1, adjoint 2, adjoint 3, adjoint 4, like this. Okay. So right, this was the question, right? And we know that what is determinant of adjoint of A? I hope you remember determinant of adjoint of A, that is determinant of A to the power n minus 1, where n defines a 3 cross 3 matrix. See that here A is of order 3 cross 3 matrix, isn't it? Therefore, if it is determinant of A to the power n, see, now what if it is adjoint of A, its determinant, that is determinant of A to the power n minus 1 to the power 2. Why? Because here adjoint is repeated 2 times. If adjoint is repeated 4 times, what should be your answer? Determinant of A to the power n minus 1. See that adjoint 1, 2, 3, 4. It is repeated how many times? 4 times. Therefore, determinant of A to the power n minus 1 to the power 4, which is equal to determinant of A. N is 3 cross 3 means 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 to the power 4 must be equal to determinant of A to the power 16. What is determinant of A? 2. Therefore, what should be your answer? 2 to the power 16. 2 to the power 16 is the right answer. So, always remember the determinant of n times of or r times of adjoint of A. Please take a note. The determinant of r times of adjoint of A is always equal to determinant of A to the power n minus 1 to the power r. This defines how many times adjoint is repeated. N defines the order of the matrix. Clear? I hope you understood this. Let's go for the next one. Limit as extending to 0. Limit as extending to 0. Limit as extending to 0. Cosecant x. Cosecant x. And if you observe carefully, so cosecant can be written as 1 by sine. As extends to 0, denominator is 0. And here you can observe cos 0, that will become root 5. Here cos 0, sin 0 plus 4, it will become 5. Root 5 minus root 5 is once again 0. Hence, the function is in the form of 0 by 0, isn't it? The function is in the form of 0 by 0 after converting cosecant to sine function. Now, what we will do? So, let me take first rationalization. I will take conjugate of this number multiplying the numerator and denominator. So, what I will get? I will making it very short. Square root of 2 cos square plus 3 cos plus square root of cos square plus sine plus 4 divided by a plus b into a minus b. When I multiply, no, I'll get square, a square minus b square, isn't it? A square minus b square, and what is left in the denominator? Square root of 2 cos square x plus 3 cos x minus ಇದು ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ plus square root of cos square x plus sin x plus 4. Okay, done. Now what we have? Limit as extending to 0, cosecant x, I'll write it as 1 divided by sin x into, see that denominator is having plus term, Okay. So here cos 0 1, cos 0 1, what we get is root 5 plus cos 0 1 sin 0 0 plus 4 is also root 5. What is left in the numerator? Square root get cancel. What is left is 2 cos square x plus 3 cos x minus of square root get cancels, cos square x minus sin x minus 4. Done? Done. Therefore, if you observe carefully, 1 divided by 2 root 5 is a constant term, which is, I will keep it outside. So, simplification of numerator, 2 minus 1 is cos square x plus 3 cos x minus sin x minus 4 and whole divided by 2 root 5 we have already taken. So, I will take sin x function, whole divided by sin x function. Done? Right? Now, again if I put x equal to 0, cos 0 1, cos 0 1, 3 plus 1 4 plus 4 minus 4 get cancelled, sin 0 0. So, again function is in the form of 0 by 0, right. So, when function is in the form of 0 by 0, I will take a L hospital rule. I will take L hospital 1 divided by 2 root 5 limit as x tending to 0, applying L hospital rule. What is differentiation of sin x? Cos x. What is differentiation of cos square x? 2 cos square x into minus sin x minus 3 cos x minus cos x, differentiation of constant is 0. Now, if I put x equal to 0, x equal to 0, this is sin 0 into everything turns out to be 0 and cos 0 is 1. Okay, differentiation of cos x, it should be minus, right? Okay, minus sin x, it is minus sin x. So, sin 0 is also 0 and differentiation of sin x is cos x. So, that cos 0 it will become minus 1, it will become minus 1 and cos 0 is plus 1. So, whatever is your answer, minus 1 divided by plus 1 is nothing but minus 1. Therefore, minus 1 into 1 divided by 2 root 5, it will become minus 1 divided by 2 root 5. Hence, what should be your answer? Option D is the right answer. Clear? Clear? I have taken the L hospital rule, then substituting x is equal to 0. So, let us continue with the next question. So, we have dy by dx plus x divided by 1 plus x square into y is equal to root x divided by 1 plus x square. Of course, it is in the standard form of linear differential equation. So, what is p is equal to x divided by 1 plus x square. So, what is q is equal to root x divided by 1 plus x square, right. Therefore, what is integral factor formula? Integral factor is e to the power integral of p into dx, which is equal to e to the power integral of x divided by 1 plus x square into dx. Therefore, what is integral factor? Is it in the form of 1 divided by 2, x square differentiation is 1 plus x square differentiation is 2x. So, can we take it as log mod 1 plus x square? Isn't it? Because 1 plus x square differentiation is 2x, 2 was not there, I have balanced it multiply dividing by 2. So, that becomes e to the power log square root of 1 plus x square, again by the property of e to the power log f of x, it will become only 1 plus x square. This is the integral factor. Therefore, what is general solution? The general solution is y into integral factor is equal to integration of q into integral factor dx plus c. So, y into integral factor square root of 1 plus x square integration of root x divided by square root of 1 plus x square into, what was the integral factor? Square root of 1 plus x square and dx plus c, right. So, 1 plus x square root 1 plus x square get cancels. What is left is root x. Therefore, What is integration of sorry, integration of root x, that is x to the power 1 by 2 is equal to x to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus c, isn't it? Now they have given that particular solution at x equal to 0, y is equal to 0, right? So let me take at x equal to 0. So what happens if I put at x equal to 0? At x equal to 0, y is equal to 0. So LHS will be 0. This is also 0 plus c. Therefore, c becomes 0. Now at x is equal to 1, c is equal to 0, y into square root of 1 should be equals to 1 divided by 3 by 2 is nothing but 2 by 3 plus 0. So is it y is equal to 2 by 3? Y is equal to 2 by 3. Done. Y is equal to 2 by 3. So I will go with the option. I will go with option 2 by 3, that is 1. 2 by 3. Okay. So I hope you have understood. This is purely absolutely the problem of linear differential equation. Y of 1, x equal to 1, c equal to 0 iddaga y value 2 by 3. Done? Done. Let us go for the next question. If alpha and beta are real numbers such that secant square tan inverse of alpha, cosecant square cot inverse of beta is equal to 36. So let me consider tan inverse alpha is equal to A. So that alpha is equal to tan A. Similarly, tan cot we have. Cot inverse beta is equal to B. Therefore, beta is equal to cot B. Keep this in the mind because it will help me to solve the next step, right? Therefore, secant square A plus cosecant square B equals to 36. What is secant square? 1 plus tan square A 1 plus cot square B is equal to 36. 1 plus, what is tan square A? Is it alpha square? Yes. 1 plus, is it beta square? Equal to 36. Or alpha square plus beta square is equal to 34. 36 minus 2 is 34. Okay. Important step, important one. And also alpha plus beta is equal to 8. Alpha plus beta is equal to 8 is also given. Then what is alpha square plus beta is the question. So for that I will take a help of perfect square. We know that alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 times of alpha beta, isn't it? What is alpha square plus beta square? 34. What is alpha plus beta? 64 minus 2 times of alpha beta. So 64, 34, if you balance it, 2 alpha beta is equal to 30. What is alpha beta is equal to? 15. Right. So if you observe carefully, sum of two roots is 8, product of two roots is 15. Therefore, roots must be 5 and 3. Here he has given alpha is less than beta. So alpha is equal to 3, beta is equal to 5, isn't it? Therefore, what is alpha square? Alpha square is 9, beta is 5. So 9 plus 5 is 14. Hence, what should be the answer in this case? 14 is the right answer. Clear? Clear? 9 plus 5 is 14. Done? Right? Let us begin with the next one. Two persons A and B throws a pair of dice alternatively. For A to win, he should throw the sum 5. Sum 5. Okay. So sum is equal to 5 means what are the possible value we have? 1 comma 4 is there, 2 comma 3 is there, 3 comma 2 is there, 4 comma 1 is there. Please note. And if I want sum is equal to 8, sum is equal to 8. 1 barala 2 comma 6, 3 comma 5, 4 comma 4, 5 comma 3, 6 comma 2. These are the possibilities. Therefore, what is probability of A? Let us understand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 divided by 36. That probability of A wins. What is probability that A fails? 32 by 36. Similarly, what is probability that B wins? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 divided by 36. What is probability that B fails? 31 by 36. So what he has given, if A throws first, the first A throw, okay, first A will throw here, please try to understand. So there are two possibility, A may win or A may lose, or I can say A will get success and he may fail. When he fail, right, again B will throw, in which B may success, B may fail. If B fail, again we have to allot it for A. Okay. So if A wins, what is, just consider this, keeping aside, please have this idea. What is the probability that A wins? The possibility is A may win in the first throw or A fail, B fail, then A wins, or once again, probability of A fail, probability of B fail, again probability of A fail, probability of B fail, again A wins, plus it goes up to infinite times. There is no restriction for that. So if you observe carefully, this whole expression is, okay, suppose if you calculate, therefore probability of A wins is equals to, what is probability of A? 4 by 36 plus A complement is 32 by 36, B complement is 5 by 36 into, again A wins is 4 by 36 plus 32 by 36 into 5 by 36 into 32 by 36 into 5 by 36 into 4 by 36 plus so on up to how many times? Infinite times. So if you observe carefully, it is nothing but S infinity formula of geometric progression. What is S infinity formula? A divided by 1 minus R, isn't it? So what is the value of A? Please observe. What is the value of A? A is 4 divided by 36. What is common ratio? 32 by 36 into, I think B complement is different here. What is B complement? B complement is 31 by 36. Yes, please note. B complement is 31 by 36. B complement, wherever I have written 5, it should be 31 by 36 because it is B complement. Okay. So we'll get 31 by 36. I repeat, absolutely A wins. A fail, B fail, again A wins. A fail, B fail, A fail, B fail, again A wins. I hope you are able to understand that. Okay. So, what is the simplification form? 4 divided by 36 into 36 into 36 divided by 36 into 36 minus 32 into 31, right? 36 ones are 36 ones are. Then 36 into 4 divided by, so I have to simplify that part. So what I'll get? Yes, 36 into 36, 1296, 1296 minus 32 into 31, 992, 992. Okay, minus 1296, 304. 36 into 4 divided by 304. So cancellations, 4 on the 9 by 19 is the right answer. Let's see the options. 9 by 19, yes. 9 by 19 is the right answer. 9 by 19 is the right answer. Done? I hope you understood that. See, while solving, I have just taken care that, right, this policy which you have to just take care. See that A wins, A success, that is first probability. A fails, then again B fails, on that A wins. Again if you observe, again if A fails, no, then again you have to take care of A fails, B fails, A fails, B fails, A fails, B fails, seventh time A is going to win. Clear? He may win in the first place, or he may win in the third place, he may win in the fifth place, he may win in the seventh place. Previous whichever probability are there, they are absolutely complement of A and B, product of A and B. That is what I have written here. Clear? Clear? I hope you understood this part. Okay. For a distribution of 10 observations, for the distribution of 10 observation, 55, okay, sigma of xi is equal to 55. So I can take it as 8 observations plus odd observations are 4 plus 5 is equal to 55. What is 8 observation is equal to 59, 36, 36. The sum of 8 observations. Okay. Second one is sigma x square is equal to 328. 8 observations plus 4 and 5 is equal to 328. What is sum of 8 observations? 328 minus 9. 5 plus 4, 9. 28 minus 19 plus 9. Okay. Okay. Then variance is equal to, the variance is equal to sigma of x square divided by n minus sigma of x divided by n the whole square. What is sigma of x square? That is 8 observations, 319 plus 6 plus 8 divided by 10 minus sigma x, 8 observation summation is 36. New values are 6 and 8 divided by 10 and whole square. So what we will get? 33.3 minus 6 plus 8, 333, 333, 33.3, 36 plus 6 is 42, 42 plus 8 is 50, 15, 25. But what is summation of x? What is summation of x? 8 observations. 8 observations, 46, isn't it? 46 plus 9 is 55, 46. So take it as 46. 46 plus 6 is 52, 52 plus 8 is 60, 60 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ 60 by 10, 6 square, 6 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು 36. Then I have to check care of this one. 4 plus 5, when they are 4 plus 5, summation of x square is 328. 8 observation plus 4 square. Yes, sorry, how come I make mistake? 4 square plus 5 square. So it should be equals to 328 minus 16 minus 25. 328 so 817 8 287 287 287 287 it should be 287, isn't it? 287 287 plus 14 287 plus 14 301 301 means it will become 30.1 minus this is 6 41 25 16. Here I have to add 6 square and 8 square because this is summation of x square, right? Isn't it? X square, x square, x square, x square, yes. So it will become 36 plus 6400, 387. 387 means 38.7. This is 6 square. 6 square is 36. What is the difference? 2.7. Yes, 2 observations. Okay, please observe 2.7, 2.7, 2.7. See, first thing is, of course, here addition mistake. So 55 minus 9, it should be 46. That is the first correction. First correction is 46. The next correction, it is sum of the squares of the observations. Therefore, 4 square plus 5 square I have to consider. Then subtraction will give you 287. Now question is to find the variance, isn't it? What is variance formula? Sigma x square divided by n minus sigma x by n whole square, 287. Again I have to consider the square of new values, that is 6 square plus 8 square, that becomes 64 plus 3600, 387 divided by 10 means 38.7. Here it is absolutely 46 plus 6 plus 8, so that will become 60. 60 divided by 10 is 6, 6 square is 36. Now what is the difference? Difference is 2.7. Hence 2.7 is the right answer. I hope you understood this. Let's begin with the next one. The integration problem, it is integration of m comma n. Integration of m comma n is defined as 0 to 1 x to the power m minus 1, 1 minus x to the power n minus 1 dx, where m and n are greater than 0. Then integration of beta 9 comma 14 and integration of 10 comma 13 is the question. Okay, so it absolutely follows a standard identity. Please do remember beta of m comma n, which follows the same property, then which is having 0 to 1 x to the power p minus 1, 1 minus x to the power q minus 1 and dx. So what we get here? It is directly equals to p minus 1 factorial into q minus 1 factorial divided by p plus q minus 1 factorial. This is the one line answer for the beta functions. Okay, please take care of this notation. I'll just change it to p comma q. P comma q. Please notice this is very, very important. P comma q. Done. Now you have to substitute the value of first one. First one is what here? 9 comma 14. Beta of 9 comma 14. I have to find. Okay. Then 10 comma 13. 10 comma 13. Okay. So calculate ಮಾಡಿ. 9 minus 1 is 8 factorial. 14 minus 1 is 13 factorial. 22 factorial. Then beta of 10 comma 13 is equal to 10 minus 1 is 9 factorial. 13 minus 1 is 12 factorial. 10 plus 13, 23 is again 22 factorial. The question is sum of these two. Sum of these two. So beta of 9 comma 14 plus beta of 10 comma 13 is equals to 8 factorial into 3 factorial divided by 22 factorial plus 9 factorial into 12 factorial divided by 22 factorial. So what is common? 1 divided by 22 factorial is common. So I can keep 8 factorial as it is. This will be 13 factorial. 13 factorial, I split it as 13 into 12 factorial plus 9 factorial, split it as 9 into 8 factorial, and I'll keep 12 factorial as it is. 12 factorial as it is into. Done. Now it's all about simplification. So what is left? 1 divided by 22 factorial. Can we choose common? What we can choose common? 8 factorial into 12 factorial taken common. So here 13, here 9 left. 13 plus 9 is 22. So 8 factorial into 12 factorial divided by 22 factorial can be written as 22 into 21 factorial. Therefore, into 22 was there, no? This term will get cancelled. Whatever is left is 8 factorial into 12 factorial divided by 21 factorial. Can I write this as 9 minus 1 factorial, 13 minus 1 factorial divided by 9 plus 13 minus 1 factorial? So what it represents? It represents beta function of 9 comma 13. That's it, right? Therefore, what should be your answer in this case? 9 comma 13. That is option is 9 comma 13 is the right answer. Done. That's all for the day. The next class we will continue with some more examples. Thank you.